Namaste. Now, this is a video of the part 2 Fake Gurus Nityananda and Jaggi Vasudev. Now, I request Jaggi Vasudev people not to troll me but make your guru do something which I ask him to do. Now, the best way to prove somebody is to do it and show it. Now, I want to tell in 10 manners how Nityananda and Jaggi Vasudev are fake. I am talking using the scriptural knowledge and the behavior of the saints which are being promoted in a book called Sannyasa Upanishad. Sannyasa Upanishad is a Upanishad in which the sannyasis are supposed to behave in a certain manner. There are rules and regulations which are written very, very clearly across as a person. The second problem with this entire, those so-called Jaggi Vasudev and Nityananda is they break so much of rules. In fact, we question them whether they are sannyasi itself. This is the video to make people awaken about these fakes. Just because a prime minister come, it doesn't mean Jaggi Vasudev you are enlightened. Enlightenment is very, very different from bringing the prime minister. And this is not something like a hate campaign. Why should somebody hate you? Somebody questions you, it is a hate campaign. Huh? Now, the first thing is, the first question. The Sannyasa Upanishad says that you are supposed to wear a garuva. You are either a Triangi sannyasi, Dviangi sannyasi, or Ekanga sannyasi, or Digambara sannyasi. But they tell you very specifically, you are supposed to wear an orange color ochre robe. Now, Mr. Jaggi Vasudev, I want to ask you, all the time you are wearing colored dress. Then how can you ever even claim that you are a guru to somebody? You wear color clothes, you wear pants, you wear half trousers. Now, we just do not understand that if you are not following the rules of sannyas, why do you claim impossible things? You have no discipline. You are living the way you want to live without, you have every right to live your way. But don't claim yourself to be a Sadguru if you are not following the rules of the scriptures. The second one is excessive makeup. You see Nityananda and Jaggi Vasudev, they'll wear cooling glass, they will put a makeup, even Amitabh Bachchan will feel ashamed of the way Nityananda and Jaggi Vasudev clearly the way they do makeup. You are supposed to be having a bath, nothing wrong. Other than that, the hairdos of Nityananda is something amazing. Even the catwalk of Paris will touch the feet. They will say, oh boy, we have never understood that this kind of hairdos do exist. Even a woman will feel ashamed of Nityananda for the level of hairdo he spends the time. Now you go take a woman, the amount of beauty parlourness which they will be spending the money and time for the marriage or for any occasion will not be for Nityananda video. Nityananda will spend hours and hours in front of to have such a kind of a hairdo. We just don't understand. it clearly, Sannyasa Upanishad clearly states that one should not wear beauty products. It clearly states. Show me one sannyas in the past, like Ramakrishna was doing the makeup, Vivekananda was doing the makeup, Ramana Bhagavan was doing the makeup, Vallalar was doing the makeup. Vallalar had only one Angi, Eka Angi Sannyasi. Now, the third thing is, what is the scriptural you have spoken, Mr. Jaggi Vasudeva Nityananda? I have never seen them talking about scriptures. Do they quote about Viveka Chudamani? Do they talk about the what you call Brahma Sutra? Nothing. That thing what Mr. Jaggi Vasudev promotes is Nirvana Shatakam, and the Nirvana Shatakam is written by Adi Shankara. And can you tell me the place where he has written? No, you have no idea. It was written in Sri Sailam. And that particular Nirvana Shatakam is practiced by Kriya Yogans. So they will read that thing before they start. So somewhere he must have attended the workshop and decided to do the entire thing. That is the only scripture I have seen him ever even talk about it. I just don't understand Nityananda and Jaggi Vasudev. I am not telling that, for example, you take B.K. Iyengar, he will quote from Patanjali Yoga Sutra, he will quote Sanskrit text. Tell me one day Nityananda and Jaggi Vasudev has ever quoted from the textbooks? No. 99% of their videos is about irrelevant things. They will be talking about this and that and that and this. It is about, he will comment about Baisullah Masood. He will talk about all the other things other than scriptures. Now, Chinmayananda was talking about only about Bhagavad Gita. Somebody will talk about Mandukya Upanishad. I just don't understand, because these people are uneducated.
The word dharma in Hinduism is a most confusing word. There are only two letters in it, dharma. But if you check up any of the authentic dictionary, Sanskrit dictionary, you shall find that the meaning of that little two-lettered word, dharma, will be about 3 columns every page, and like that 3 pages, 9 columns of small print will be all its meaning. And at the end of it, strangely enough, you see that the lexicon, the author of it has written there as etc., etc., etc. Meaning, it's not complete, but these are some of the meanings of it. The word is the same, dharma. Hundreds of meanings. Its application. Therefore, you will find from book to book or author to author or speaker to speaker, they interpret the dharma as differently.
They have just simply said, oh, I know everything, I'm all knowing. You ask who I am, you will get enlightened. Oh, is it so? Is it so easy? Now Nityananda and Jaggi Vasudev promises the followers that they will get enlightened. Now, today they might be talking about happiness, unhappiness, that, but in general they were telling, follow me, I will lead you to God, I will lead you to enlightenment. It is more than 25 years. Show me one enlightened disciple of yours. Show me one enlightened disciple. You use disciple to do your menial work. You, both of you use the disciple. It is an unpaid servants they need to be doing there. They should not question you. That is all. Nothing else. Because you don't want to give any payments to anyone, you simply take them as student and make them do menial work. Or whatever, computer trolling or whatever the work they have been doing. So therefore, I ask you, show me one student whom you have got enlightened. No, you cannot show. And the other important thing is, you talk about Masood, you talk about this, why don't you condemn the Pollachi incident? They were barbarians. Next door it has happened. They have raped women, they have used women, they have extracted money as a blackmail. Jaggi Vasudev, you don't have the nerve. Because that Pollachi MLA will screw your ass. He will make sure that you will go to hell. That is, he will make your life miserable. So you don't want to condemn that. I just don't understand the entire thing. You need Kandasashti, I mean, in the Arunagirinathar really sings, I don't care about anybody, Lord Muruga, because I have total devotion towards you. If you have total devotion, then why don't you condemn such a ghastly act? No, you will not condemn because it is not your convenience. It will make you inconvenient. And the next thing, the scriptures talk about mannasai, pennasai, ponnasai. They say no sannyasis should hold lands. In fact, I met Satyananda, Shantananda. He said, Gopal, I cannot sign any land because the scripture forbids me from holding any land. But all these guys have acre and acres of land. And to that extent that Nityananda had become a rogue in stealing all the lands of their temples. Wow, what is this? Is this a sannyasi? What? Nobody should question you. Everybody will have a hate campaign now. Please give up your land desire before you talk about desireless states about to others. You have vast amount of land that even it will put a shame. Vijayanagar Empire was lesser than what you are having. Then women. Sannyasa Upanishad clearly says you cannot meet women without a consort. They should be maintained at 10 meters. That is what Chandrasekhara Saraswati was doing. I am not telling you need to do all that thing. But you are drooling front of Kangana Rogar and all those Vidya Balan and other people. I just don't understand. Why are you, Jaggi Vasudev, wearing a cooling glass? Because you will see her different parts and she might see you through. And Nityananda has always women around him as a person. How can you ever maintain celibacy? I just don't understand. It is clearly said Brahmacharya. So Jaggi Vasudev can talk to any actor, actress and dance this and that, and Nityananda can dance anything to that, and nobody should question her. What the hell, man? Everybody is an idiot. And the next thing, it talks clearly about the desire for gold. Nityananda has gone mad after the gold, taking tons of gold and running away from the thing. And Jaggi Vasudev buys a helicopter, Hummer car, bloody command. If I'm 25 years old, if somebody is saying I want to drive a bike and a car, I want to have an helicopter, it will make sense. After renouncing everything, why do you need a helicopter? Why at all you need a Hummer car? Why can't you practice simplicity? It is all bloody lies. The money has allowed your fantasy to come true. What you were craving, it has all come true. So having a bike and driving like this, 12 lakhs bike. Young boys will be interested in that. Come on, Jaggi Vasudev and Nityananda, stop trying to screw up people's life. So my question is, why do these people wear Garva? Tell me, show me one enlightened follower of yours who have got Jivan Mukti or anything like that. And why do you don't talk about scriptures? Why are you having Manna say, Ponna say, Penna say? And why are you so much interested in makeup and showmanship? See, for example, Arunagirinathar wrote a beautiful piece on Lord Muruga. Atti Tirumuttaitar Saravanapati. It is remembered, nobody promotes it. And I want to ask you, both of you worship Shiva. In fact, Shaivites have sung so much of poetry. Can you show me one poetry written by Jaggi Vasudev and Nityananda? No. Because they do not worship God. They worship the yoni of a woman and they worship the gold and the material wealth in the name of sannyasi. That is the reason. When the divine ecstasy happens, automatically poetry happens. Vallalar had it, Appar had it, Jnana Sundar had it. And why are these buggas are not having it? And the second thing is, you can say, I don't need any rules, Jaggi Vasudev. You can say Nityananda. Yeah, when can you break a rule? When you have broken all the rule. Somebody went to Vallalar and asked him, the Britishman asked him, are you Vallalar? Can you turn everything into gold? He held the horse carriage and it turned and the entire bar became gold. The man was simply amazed. Now, the great Nerur Brahmendra walked naked and the Muslim king got very angry and cut his hands. And he just walked like that. They gave back the hand, he just refixed it and went. They do not have rules. So when you reach the state, please talk about not following any rule. So please stop. I request all the people to stop this conning mechanism which has been employed to make crores of people and loot them. They are just glorified yoga teachers. They are not enlightened. They are not sadhana. I met one lady, I asked, why are you not promoting yourself? She said, I don't have time for my sadhana, Gopal. Where is the question of me going and doing publicity stunts? Therefore, I request all the people to see through it. They have Manna-sai bigger than yours, Ponna-sai bigger than yours, Penna-sai. So bloody lust for women is so big. Only beautiful women can interview Jaggi Vasudeva. Only beautiful women will surround this thing. We are not angry. We are not cheap. So Jaggi Vasudeva and Nityananda, please change yourself. Talk about scriptures. Live a simple life. Everybody will appreciate you. At the same time, because few LKG people in the spiritual life appreciate you, it does not mean that you are a great guys and you are enlightened. There is a blessing in India. Chatrasya Raja Varunaha Nakshatranam Sadabhisha Tau Devebhyo Vashishtamayuha. Which means they say, may you give like the rain, may you shine like the 100 stars of the Satabish, and may even your enemies, who are like Lord Vashishta, Sage Vashishta, appreciate your talent. So even your critics must say that, oh wow, what a way to do a sadhana. We are asking you what it is available in the common platform. We are not talking about some extraordinary things. Even Amritanandamayi wears white dress, but she wears only that. She doesn't wear color thing and all. Please respect Sannyasu. Don't try to be Osho 2, Osho 3. If you have guts, talk about the scriptures. If you have guts, show Vishwamitra Asan. If you have guts, show the Siddhi like Valala. If you have guts, then write poetry like any of those great guys who worship Shiva. Don't talk about rubbish, Jaggi Vasudev. Don't say Pulwama, the land has to be put like that and this. This is all nonsense. You don't have any content. You just want to be famous. This is not a hate campaign about you, Jaggi Vasudev or Nityananda. All of you are getting fooled by these idiots. So please change yourself and argue. Don't try to send people. Don't try to troll me. Greatness does not come with trolling. Greatness will come with spiritual guts. I have every spiritual guts to talk from the scriptures. Do both of you know that there is a Sannyasa Upanishad exist? So therefore, it is not like I have never even seen them talking about Hatha Yoga Pradipika, Garunda Samhita, Shiva Samhita, nothing you talk about. And all the followers of Jaggi Vasudev, you might be intelligent in engineering, but not in spiritual life. You might be very uneducated. You might not have done the sadhana in your life. So stop trying to fit people. And the last of the peak of the idiocy is there was a movie called Pottu Amman. And that Pottu Amman is being taken as promoted as Linga Bhairavi. What nonsense! Even ISKCON wanted to promote Krishna. They gave artists, they gave money to the artist to draw the thing. Jaggi Vasudev, you don't have common sense. You have copied it from a movie. And consecration of the Linga Bhairavi, oh my God, I just cannot understand somebody dancing like this, doing like this, and claiming. What is this, a spirituality? They don't chant mantras, they don't do homam in a consecration of a temple. And there are few idiots who are crying in that thing. Spiritual idiots, spiritual stupids. You do not know about the mantra, you do not know how to do Kumbhabhisheka. Then call us, we will do it for you. We will put the photo of the Linga Bhairavi and that Pottu Amman which was being acted by the Ramya Krishnan. Such is the level of idiocy which has been promoted by so-called the Jaggi Vasudev followers and Nityananda followers. Idiots. They have never done sadhana. They have never sat down. Even Vipassana sadhana for 10 days, 21 days, 48 days. So please don't think you are all very intelligent and you are all knowing. If you ask who I am, you will get enlightened. Who I am, you will get enlightened. Nonsense. Go and sit like Ramana Maharishi in the Tiruvannamalai thing. One man told me, I do not know how Ramana Bhagavan sat. That in that Virupaksha cave, there is so much of mosquitoes. It will bloody eat the hell out of you. Even till today, nobody in the night can sit in the Virupaksha caves for the amount of mosquitoes there is available. Nobody can sit in that peak what he went out and said. Direct sun will hit you. You'll have sunstroke. So please trying to stop fibbing like Osho and this thing. At least Osho spoke about scriptures. Jaggi Vasudev followers, please grow up. Nityananda followers, please grow up. Don't think you'll get enlightened. The road to hell is paved with good intention. Even devil will quote scriptures. But at least allow your Gurujis to quote some scriptures. Ask them about it. So I request you, prove me wrong. Change yourself and prove me wrong. Thank you.